All right, let's do something we call social media check-in. We check in with everybody's issues, problems, concerns, questions, comments.
So Sean Brooks said, I have an AOS interview coming up next month, but I don't have any joint documents with my spouse because I don't have a social. And it's needed in order for me to get, on my spouse's bank account and health insurance. I only have photos and mail. Should I be worried? We have our own house, so no lease.
Well, that's certainly not helpful. I don't know why you don't have a social. You should have got a work permit already. But you'll explain the situation when you go to the officer. As long as you can prove that you live with your spouse and it's a bona fide marriage, that's what's most important.
Tohib Bisola Salisu, another Brad Squad VIP member. Why does immigration delay someone that travels with advanced parole at port entry in the U.S.?
Why do they delay? Because they found you inadmissible, or your name comes up with a red flag check that they have to bring you into a secondary inspection.
Kayar Ikromi, Brad Squad VIP member. How long after the I-751 interview can I file a mandamus if there's no decision made?
You can do it the next day, but if you want to be successful, I suggest wait a year.
Eddie Etudiant Nor, another Brad Squad VIP member. Can I travel outside of the U.S. to my hometown in Africa with an approved travel document? My wife is in the military, Air Force, active duty, and I have my I-130, I-485 pending. I also have a probation of 1 year for a DUI.
If you have advanced parole, probation for DUI should be okay.
John Adal on Facebook. After the new law, is USCIS automatically renewing EADs for people who had them for a year, or do we have to apply for a renewal?
You have to apply for the renewal, but you're going to get a 2-year renewal.
Cynthia Raj Handari, Brad Squad VIP member. I filed the letter for my I-130 family immigration on August 23rd, 2013. It was approved on July 14th of 2018, almost 3 years ago. How long do I have to wait for the interview date?
Who sponsored her in 2013? I don't know what family member she's referring to. We need to know more information. Yo.
Rudwa Nupane in YouTube. How often does USCIS approve I-212 and I-601 waivers if the VAWA petition is approved?
How often do they approve? It's less likely to be approved than more likely to be approved. But if you have a good lawyer, more likely to approve than less likely to be approved. Thanks for watching. For more Brad Show Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.